It's electric. I'm feeling very blessed because a year ago, I set out on a path to find a way to get press cars. And I got a really good response because this is number 20. This is our 20th press car in like less than a few months.
Yeah, it took no time at all.
Yeah, and we spent so much time building up this channel and building the brand. We just hit 100,000 subscribers. We just hit like 30,000 on Instagram. Like, all the pages are growing, the brands are paying attention, the client list is growing. Like, I feel very blessed, I feel very happy, and Cadillac reciprocated because this is the all-electric Lyriq, and I've heard a lot of things about this car. I've seen a few of them on the road. I have two friends who just got Lyriqs because apparently these things have crazy incentives on them. Like, I saw an ad on Facebook the other day, it was like $429 a month for one of these, and this is like, I think it's like a $70,000 car. I have the window sticker, I'll check in a minute. It's got these really cool like headlights, and I've seen videos that it has like cool unlock animations, and these wheels are just sexy. Like, something about all the wheel designs that they've been playing on EVs lately, I'm in love with. But I think the back is like the coolest part. Like,
Yeah, I agree.
dude, this whole light bar in the back and it goes around all the way to the badge. Honestly, this is a really beautiful looking car.
Yeah, it looks really good.
I wish it was like not black. Like, I went on the configurator last night. There's like a lot of like cool colors that
Cadillac has a lot of nice colors.
like that red.
Yeah.
That red.
The
was,
red
like,
is really nice.
Here's a spec that I built online before we even got here. It was red, like a candy apple red with white interior, and then like these wheels just in chrome.
Nice.
That would be like, if I were to buy this, that would be like my spec. Let's hop in. Let's go see what the inside's like. Ooh, I like the blue piping on the seat.
I like that too.
Dude, are there speakers in this headrest? Or are they just like designed that way?
Either perforated or speakers. Ooh, these seats are really comfortable.
Oh, it's got massage seats.
Oh.
You could do massage or lumbar adjustment. So we had the XT4 and the Escalade V, and I liked it.
Yeah.
I think this display is beautiful. It's their new 9K curved screen. It's a little bit darker than I remember in the XT4. Maybe that's just like a settings thing.
Maybe.
But it had built-in Apple CarPlay. Let's see, 360 cams? 360 cams, Google Assistant. Ooh, Amazon Alexa?
That's cool.
That's pretty cool. So, really nice display. Super Cruise? Wait. Dude, it might have Super Cruise. It's got the thing.
Does it have
That'll be cool. We'll test that on the highway.
Yeah.
But dude, the materials in here are like,
super good?
dude, really
Same thing with the
nice.
Escalade V. It's a really premium feeling car.
You know what? I think Cadillac is onto something because back in the day, they were like the king of luxury.
Yeah.
And then, in my opinion, they kind of like lost their touch in like early 2000s. They're back, man.
Yeah, for sure.
Like, every car I've been in from Cadillac lately has just been like a home run.
Yeah.
Honestly, the XT4, honestly, like, I love BMW, I love Mercedes. That's a very fierce competitor, that XT4. It was like driving a baby Escalade.
Yeah.
Like, massage seats, that 9K display, it drove amazing, it had good power. So, like, that car impressed me. Escalade V, still one of my favorite press cars we've had to this day. That was just like,
yeah, absolutely.
like, I want one so bad right now, even though it's just a monster. Like, I'm excited to see how this Lyriq is, so let's go take it for a drive. All right, driving the Cadillac Lyriq. Dude, this thing rides.
super nice.
Whoosh.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Part of what I fell in love with the XT4 and the Escalade was the screen. Dude, it's just so good. The fact that I could put Apple CarPlay, like Apple Maps in front of me.
Yeah.
And then I could have like audio over here.
I love that.
It's amazing. Like, this is good engineering. But what's even cool is if I didn't have Apple Maps running right now, I could put Google Maps if I wanted to use the in-car navigation, which is Google Maps powered. I could also put other things over here, like make this like a clean display.
That's cool.
I can also have driver assistance. I can make it like the gauges show like my energy, which I don't really care about. But this is like what I really like. I like having my maps right here. I think that's really cool. Everything I just said earlier about the screen being dim, it kind of just fixes itself. I think it just thought it was like dark out for some weird reason. The screen is awesome. It's super bright. This car drives really nice. But what I'm really curious about is Super Cruise. Let's try this out. This is legal hands-free driving. And we're going around a bend right now, and in a construction zone too. Wow. Dude, this is so good!
Really good.
Okay, so it just said drive with caution, because it recognizes there's construction. I guess it's using cameras, or just knows there's like construction going on over here.
The only difference we found between this and the Tesla is that the Tesla can kind of do back roads and stuff like that. They're adding more roads on the Escalade, I guess you'd call it palette, but...
Or just GM palette.
Yeah. It's really, really good though on the highway. It's really good.
The fact that like it's not asking me to put my hands on the steering wheel, which I will, like just for safety and like peace of mind. But I know that I don't physically have to. There is a camera right here that watches my eyes. I guess even with polarized sunglasses on, like it still recognizes and can still see my eyes through there, which is kind of crazy. Although Face ID on Apple kind of does the same thing, so I guess that technology is not too new.
It's probably LiDAR.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I wonder if I put the blinker on. Alright, so I just took over just because we're taking this exit here, but dude, that's pretty impressive. I'm not gonna lie, that's really good. The last time I experienced self-driving that good was in a Tesla, and like it was still in beta mode because it was about like 2 months ago.
Yeah.
And like it kind of drove like an old woman. This drives like really nice. Like it is really surprisingly well for what it is. I mean, I think the technology, I know they've had this technology for a while, but the implementation and them sophisticating the technology and like improving everything over the past few years is like night and day difference.
Yeah.
Compared to like the first like self-driving cars, which I remember a few years ago when I first tested a self-driving car, dude, you'd be driving and then it'd just be like, nah, turn it off, and then the steering wheel, like you'd have to like take over.
Yeah.
I haven't experienced that. Even in my car, right? My car kind of technically has self-driving. Whoa, this thing is powerful.
Oh, it's actually... Whoa.
Oh my god.
Whoa. I didn't know it was that quick.
Dude, that was effortless.
That is powerful.
Oh my god.
Wow, it's got some torque, huh?
I want to do that again.
Dude. That's a lot of fun.
But it's not like a Tesla where like it snaps you back.
It's gradual.
It's gradual.
Yeah.
Wow. Like in such a Cadillac way.
It feels like it has turbos.
Honestly, that's a good way of describing it.
Yeah.
Let's go take this to one of the dealerships. Here's the plan. We gotta go say hello to our clients. Then I think we should do something really fun.
Like go-karting or like jet skiing or something.
Dude, there's that new go-kart place that just opened up.
That's what I'm saying. We should do it.
Let's go go-karting.
Okay. Sick.
Dude, this is a BMW scooter. It's probably just a regular scooter with BMW logos, but it's cool. This has remote start. It's like remote power on. That's so cool. Look at this nerd doing his job. What are you doing?
Trying to export the thumbnail. We were actually there. That's not even AI.
What? Oh, that's crazy. New video live. It's either going to pop up here or here or here. You should go watch it.
He's got the same line as you!